ask me for my link, pay 350 Rand, get your own link. Then you get a digital wallet. You put money into this digital wallet. It's on your phone, on your cell phone, on your cell phone number. Everything works on your cell phone number. Then you go to the shop and you buy your groceries for that money that you put into your Cellbox wallet. Guys, on the 7th of the next month, you get a refund. Yes, a cashback on what you bought. And then anybody who clicks on your link and pays the 350 Rand, you get 50 Rand back on the Friday after it appears in the bank account of Cellbox. So, guys, this thing works. It builds on the community. The more the people you got under you, the more money you're going to get. Because from what your friend buys, you also get a refund.